today to share with you guys, and it's not huge, but there's quite a bit of stuff that I wanted to show, and there's some exciting stuff. So first off, I'm going to share this Etsy item I got, this company I got. Her name is Krista, and she makes resin items on Etsy. I will definitely link her Etsy page down below. So she was having a pretty cool, she has some very pretty inexpensive things, and I have been looking for a nail like palette. So I thought I'll check out this company and see if it's going to work for what I want to do. First of all, I love the packaging, so cute. And she packaged it very well. I haven't opened it yet to look, but it's like wrapped in this awesome foam. And then look at this cute tissue paper with that cute little sticker. Like, the presentation is adorable. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. I'm really excited. She was great about messaging me, like just let me know that it was how long it was gonna be, so it's gonna be delayed, and it's a set of 2. And I can't remember how much it cost. It was super inexpensive. You know me, I am iridescent girl, and I love blues and purples, and they're my favorite. Craft Garden by Krista. That's her name. How gorgeous! And I think that'll work great for a palette because it's nice and smooth. So this is the round one. It was a set of 2 for like, I want to say it was like $6 maybe. So inexpensive. I will definitely link her Etsy shop. So that's the round one. And then look at that. That is so beautiful. Look at the marbling in it. So I could even use maybe this side because it's sealed in. But I love that it has the lip, so I could use it as a coaster, or I could use it, I could use it as a coaster, I could use it as a palette. I could even pour beads in it to hold. So I got both of them. Both of them. For, I want to say it was like $6. I need to look. Hang on, let me look. So both of these coasters together were $5.25 with free shipping. Like, what? So definitely go check out her stuff. Craft Garden. I think it's on Etsy. It's called Florida Craft Garden. I'll definitely link it down below so you guys can find it. But I'm super excited. I mean, look at the colors, and it's stuff. I think it's alcohol inks, maybe. You can see the colors in there. And like the shimmer, the gorgeous glitter. I'm super excited. If you hear my kids in the background, yes, they are doing their thing. All right, then I did put an order in to Double Dip. So let me show you what I got there. So I got, they always come in these cute little bags. And I bought 2 colors from them. I got Double Dip 586 Shimmer Spritzer and Double Dip CP008 Good Luck. Been wanting this one for a very long time, but it's always sold out. So I'll go ahead and swatch those for you so you guys can see what they look like. So, oh, that's pretty. My background's kind of busy, so it's kind of focusing on the background a lot. Sorry about that. All right, so let me open them, show you, and then I'll go ahead and swatch. This is just like a really pretty shimmer. I did get them to go together. We'll see if they actually do match. All right, so this Dip Shimmer Spritzer 586. There's the swatch right there. Beautiful. It does have a shimmer, which you can't really see. My son's in the background playing his little keyboard, so you're gonna hear some animal noises. This is CP008 Good Luck, not Gua Luck. The D just ripped off. Here is the swatch. It is definitely more teal than it looks on camera. It's not really that green. It's more of a teal color. So that is what I got from Double Dip. All right, then the next thing I'm gonna show you, that's not a cow in my house, don't worry, it's a keyboard. The next thing I'm gonna show you is a little haul from SHEIN. So here's my package. I didn't get much from them this time, I just got a few different things. So I'll pull out what I did get. All right, so I did get these files. I wanted to see, their files were really inexpensive. Can't remember exactly how much I spent. These files were $1.50 for 5 of them. So let me just take one out. It feels like it's 180 over 100 over 180. Hang on, my baby's climbing up in here, but it doesn't say on the website. But they're a little flimsy, not horrible. I will definitely try them out and I will let you know if they're any good, because $1.50 for 5 files, it's a pretty good deal. Let's see what else we got. Oh yeah, I got some foils. So let me open this up. These foils were $2.50. You get 10 different rolls and there's some hollow on them. Let's see. So there's this one. I don't know if I'm gonna take them all out or not. Let's see how I'm feeling. They're kind of hard to get back in. Maybe the ones that I want to look at. This one's like zebra stripes, clear black zebra stripes. This one's light pink with the hollow stripes. This one's a beautiful purple with hollow stripes. This one's just a solid red, I think. Yeah. This one's like, ooh, that one's like leaky, falling apart. This one's like a matte maroon. This one is like black and gray and hollow stripes. This is blue, kind of geometric and hollow and clear. I didn't have anything close to these. This is like a gold. Ooh, this is pretty. I like that. It's gold and clear. I'm excited to try these. This one looks like it's gold lace. It is gold lace. How awesome. I didn't even know that one was in there. Okay, so there's the first set of foils. I did get 2 sets of foils. The second set of foils I got was, this one was $2. Which is really funny because they're the same size, same amount. And I was really excited about these. So these are animal prints. So this one's like leopard, pink and black leopard. This one's zebra and leopard, like rainbow. Let's see if you can see that. There goes the cow again. This one's like red and purpley blue leopard. This one is like a purple, blue, green, pink leopard. This one's just your standard leopard. This one's like more like cheetah. More like a cheetah color. Like yellow. This one is really pretty. Like a rainbow, almost tie-dye leopard. This one, it's like a leopard, cheetah, snake, elephant. It's like a reddish pink mixed in with just your normal tan. This one is pink leopard. Oh, there goes my phone. Sorry, that says sweet on it. It's my tablet freaking out. Okay, then we have this leopard, cheetah. It might be cheetah, but it's like a beautiful pale pink. So that one was $2. Well, that's over with. Last thing I got from SHEIN, I hadn't seen this. I think this is new. It's called nail jewelry. And this was $2.50 for these rhinestones. And I'm not sure if they're resin. Let's look. All right. Doesn't really say what they're made of. Just comes in one of these pouches, so you can kind of see them. I think it's just plastic. I don't think it's glass. These usually aren't. They're definitely AB, but they're clear, so that's kind of nice. They actually have a little bit of a gold back. So I don't have anything like these at all, actually. So I'm really excited to try those. So those are pretty. Those were, again, $2.50 off SHEIN. So that's everything I got from SHEIN. Now I'll go ahead and I'll jump into the things that I got from AliExpress. So I'm just gonna throw these on here. I already opened these because I was playing around with them. These are a set of pigments. I wanna say I spent like $2.50 on these. You can find these all over AliExpress. So I got a whole ton of those, and I got these to do nail art with and to maybe try my hand at some custom dip powder maybe? We'll see. So yeah, you can kind of get an idea. I'll open one up. I think I had one that was opened. I don't remember which one I used now. Oh, this one. So you can kind of see they're full. I don't want to open it all the way, but you can kind of see if you can see that in there. Yeah. I also opened this set of glitters. These I all got from the same store. I want to say they were like 40 cents a bag. This is just a black sugar shiny mix. There's really fine and medium. Fine to medium, I guess. This blue gold mix. Hopefully you can see these. This purple mix. This silver mix. Hollow mix. These are all hollow, actually, except for the black. This red mix. This is a blue purple mix. Go get your dog. Then there's this gold mix. This silver and gold, so there's silver and gold in this one. It's hard to tell. This is a green and pink hollow mix. They're all, like I said, all hollow. Then we have this pink and gold mix. This is a iridescent and black mix. And the black is hollow and the white is iridescent. And then this one is it's hard to tell in this light, gold, silver, pink mix. So I got that. I also got a free gift with that, which I'm not sure where it went. It was just a bag of Mylar flakes. So it was like that big. I'm not gonna go dig it out. All right, I did get finally this UV little flashlight thing. Let's go ahead. I don't have any batteries in it yet, so I brought some up to put in it. We'll see how it works. All right, let's try this way. There we go. That's good news. So it's just a UV light. We'll see how it works. I'll test something and just do it. It's like for flash curing. It was cheap. It was like $1.50. These are just some nail tips that I got off of AliExpress. They're, I think, pretty cheap. Let's try them. So I originally got these thinking they would be good to try and either do polygel with, or dip over. We'll see. So, I mean, they're not the worst, honestly. The only one there? Yeah. So, they're not horrible. I've seen worse. I can show you kind of the curve on them, I guess. Pretty standard, not a deep sea curve. They're not too flimsy. They're a little, I just ruined that one so you can see. Once you blend it, it's pretty weak. So that one's going in the trash. We'll see, we'll try them. I don't do a lot of tips, but I figured I'd try them. It was a good way to try them. And I actually ordered these before I ordered my polygel set, which had tips in it. So, oh well. I then picked up this item. I'll show you see what I got. So these are just some water decals. I want to say I got like these for 10 cents. So these pretty flowers. These pretty flowers, which I love because they're like watercolored. And then just these small flowers and ferns. And the last thing I got from AliExpress is in this bag. I have more things coming, they're not here yet. So I picked up these little shell pieces. Been wanting to try those. So those are really pretty. I'm gonna try and encapsulate those maybe in some polygel. We'll see. And then from the same company seller, and I don't know who the sellers are. I'm not good about that. Oh, it's saran wrapped. So let's see. It's a good thing because it's leaking everywhere. So it's just these really pretty glitter mixes that I chose to pick up. Okay. All right, then I got a few this from Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off. They're just these little colored caviar beads. So I paid $2 for those. And then the last thing I got, which you guys have seen, were these nail stands on Amazon. So I got I actually accidentally ordered 2 sets of them, and I don't even need 1 set. So I think I'm gonna give some to my sister-in-law. I think I'm gonna do a giveaway once I hit a certain number of subscribers, and I will share that when I get there. All right, so that's everything I got in this haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!